This video mainly teaches you how to installation the fiber laser welding machine. Take out these parts from the toolkit. The 6 mm diameter tube shall be inserted. Insert the other end of air tube into a connector. The other end of the connector should be inserted into the 10 mm air tube. The other end of the air tube is connected to the gas cylinder. This is the signal line for the wire feeder. Small plug inserted into the machine. Big plug inserted into the wire feeder. This is the power cord for the wire feeder. The power plug into the machine and socket. Aviation plug insertion wire feeder. Safety clip aviation connector to machine. The safety clamp must be attached to a metal welding workbench surface. A metal surface is essential to establish a conductive path. Connect the machine power cord. Ensure this part is firmly clipped locked in place. Add purified water to the water chiller until the water level reaches the blue indicator mark. Turn on the machine power switch. Turn on the emergency stop switch. Turn on the control switch. Turn on the wire feeder switch. Only operate the laser switch after the water chiller has reached a temperature between 24 to 26 degrees Celsius. Insert key. Turn on the laser switch. Normal circuit and water flow operation is indicated by a red laser light from the welding head. That concludes the installation setup. Thank you for your attention.